Hello, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Subhash Sahu, Associate Professor, Department of Dravigon. In the continuation of the e-learning process, today we are going to discuss about the plant Shatavari. Shatavari, it is a versatile plant. Its Latin name is Asparagus racemosus. It belongs to Liliaceae family. In Hindi, it is known as Shatavar or Satmuli. In English, we called as wild asparagus. It is an amazing herb and it is known as queen of herbs because it promotes love and devotion. It was botanically described in 1799. The term Satavari means a woman who possesses 100 husbands or acceptable to many. In other words, it may be translated as 100 spouses, implying its ability to increase fertility and vitality. It is considered both as a general tonic and a specific tonic for female reproductive system. Shatavari is the main Ayurvedic rejuvenative tonic for female, as is Withenia somnifera for the male. Mainly Shatavari is used for female tonic and Withenia is used as a male tonic. It is known for its phytoestrogenic properties and it is extensively used in combating the menopausal syndromes and increasing lactation. In all the Ayurvedic classics and Nighindus, the plant Shatavari is mentioned. Acharya Kashyapa mentioned in Kashyapa Samhita Shatavari in a separate chapters in Kalpastan. Asparagus racemosus is a well-known Ayurvedic rasayan that prevents aging, increases the longevity, imparts immunity, improves mental functions and vigor, and it also adds vitality to the body. It is also used in nervous disorders, dyspepsia, tumors, inflammations, neuropathy, and hepatopathy. It is known in many names in different vernaculars, named like in Assamese, it is Satmuli, in Bengali, Satamuli, Satmuli, in Gujarati, Ekal Kanto, Kannada, Kolagadda, etc. The whole slide is for vernaculars name. Next, synonyms. The synonyms of Shatavari as per the morphological characters, its properties, uses, and therapeutic indications. There are several synonyms available for Shatavari. The first one is Abhiru. Abhiru means it makes free from external invasion. Then Atirasa. Atirasa means its tuberous root contain more juice. Bahusuta. It has many succulent roots or tubers. Durmara. Durmara means the plants do not perish easily. It has a long span of life. Deepa Sattu. It is antagonist to Tikshna substance as it is predominant in watery elements. Indivari. Indivari means the plant which benefits to many people. Narayani. Narayani means it has Soumya nature. Phani Jiva Parni. Phani Jiva Parni means the leaves of this plant are similar as the tongue of a snake. Pibari. The tubers are stout and succulent. Then Rusya Prokta. The term Rusya Prokta indicates the drug which is recommended by the sages. Satavari. Satavari, as I have told, the plant symbolically indicates a woman who possesses 100 spouses, 100 husbands, or It has many succulent roots or tubers. Satapadi also similar type of meaning. It has many succulent roots and tubers. Then Satavirya means it produces multifold action and is useful in many diseases. Sukshma Patra, it has very small leaves which are very thin and linear. It is known as cladodes. Then Swadu Rasa, it has sweet in taste. Urdhva Kantak, there is a spine present in the branches of this plant which is recurved. It has recurved spine. Worry. Worry means it is one of the best medicine. So it is known as worry. Then classical categorization. Classical categorization in Samhita period, it is mentioned in Charaka Samhita in Balya Mahakasaya, Vayastapan Mahakasaya, and Madhur Skanda. In Susruta Samhita, it is mentioned in Vidari Gandhadi Gan, Varunadi Gan, and Kantak Panchamul and Vata Sansaman Grove. In Ashtanga Hridaya, it is mentioned in Vidaryadi, Varunadi, and Pitta Sansaman Grove. As for Dhanvantari Nigantu and Mahaprakash Nigantu, it comes under Guduchadi Varga. Madalpan mentioned in Avayadi Varga. Kaidev Nigantu mentioned in Aushadhi Varga. And Rach Nigantu mentioned in Satavhadi Varga. Then distribution of this plant. This plant is widely distributed across the globe. And its distribution ranges from the tropical Africa, Java, Australia, Sri Lanka, southern parts of China and India, but it is mainly cultivated in India. It is found throughout India in tropical and subtropical parts, including Andamans, and ascending in the Himalayas up to an altitude of 1500 meters. Then morphological characters of this plant. It is an armed, highly branched climbers growing up to 1 to 2 meters in height, as shown in the photographs. Stem is woody, terete, with recurved spine. Its young stem is delicate, brittle, and smooth. Then leaves. The leaves are reduced to minute chaffy scale, which is known as cladodes, and it is spinous. Cladodes are acicular, 2 to 6 in numbers, falcate, and finely acuminate. Then flowers. The flowers are white in color with red dots. It is fragrant, simple or branched raceme arising from the axil of the thorns. Then fruits. Fruits are globular or three-lobed pulpy berries. It is 7 mm in diameter. Initially, it is green in color. After ripening, it becomes orange or red colors. Then it becomes black after drying. And it is single-seeded. The left side image shown the green berries. It is the initial stage. And the right side image shown the blackberries. It becomes after drying. Then roots. The upper image is the fresh root and the lower image shows the dry root. Roots are stout, bearing numerous succulents, fusiforms, and finger-shaped clusters of tuberous roots, near about 100 in numbers. These are nearly 30 to 100 centimeter long and 1 to 2 centimeter thick. The fresh roots are fleshy, white in color, while on drying it becomes shrinked, longitudinal ridges appeared, and the color turned to light brown. The plant is propagated through seeds and the division of the tuberous root. Then types. As per Nigantus, it is of two types, Satavari and Mahasatavari. Satavari is Asparagus racemosus, while Mahasatavari is Asparagus sarmentosa. Then the properties of the plant Satavari. It has Guru and Snigdha Guna. Tikta and Madhur Ras. Its Vipak is Madhura and Virya is Sita. Then chemical constituent. The roots contain steroidal glycosides such as satawarin 1 to 4, sersapojanin, cytosterols, asparagine A, steroids, saponins, polycyclic alkaloids, proteins, and high level of minerals. Flower contain beta cytosterols, sersapojanins, diogenins, and asparamines A and B. Leaves possess diogenin and quercetin 3 glucuronide. Fruits are also comprised of cytosterol and sigmasterols. There are lots of phytoconstituents found in the plant Shatavari. Then we discuss about the action of this plant. This plant has so many actions. It is mainly work on the reproductive system of both male and female. In addition to this, other functions are also there. The root of this plant has mainly this type of function like balya. It means it provides strength. Sukral, it increases the semen. Stanya kari, it is galactagogue in nature. Medhya, in promote the intellect. It is rasayan in it has rasayan action, means it has immunomodulator properties. Netra, eye tonic. Brishya, aphrodisiac. Pushti vardhak, nutritive. Then atisarajit, it reduces diarrhea, or it has grahi properties or stamban properties. Then Sothar, reduce swelling. If we know about the dosha karma, it is vata pitta samak. And for dhatu karma, it has tanyavardhak properties, sukravardhak, and vrishya. In mala karma, it reduces atisar. Then pharmacological action. It is reported that it had many pharmacological properties like it is reported as nematocidal, anti-cancerous, anti-dysenteric, antifungal, gastrosedative, antibacterial, anti-abortifacient, antioxytoxic, antiviral, diuretic, galactagogue, anti-emetic, spasmodic to uterus. It is hypoglycemic, phagocytic, hypotensive, anticoagulant, and enzymatic action. In addition to this action, there are also other actions like antioxidant, anti-ulcers, antitussive, adaptogenic, anti-stress, uterine tonic, antispasmodic, and hepatopromotic action. Then we discuss about the indications. It is indicated in so many diseases like Kshaya or debility, in Grahani or sprue, Gulma or abdominal lump, Sotha, swelling, Agnimadya, loss of appetite, then Rakta Vikara, bleeding disorders, then Rakta Pitta, hemorrhagic disorders, Arsa, piles, Artavaksha, amenorrhea, Amla Pitta, hyperacidity, Atisar, diarrhea, Vata Rakta, gout, Visarpa, erysipelas, Parinamasula, or colic pain, Mutra Rakta, bleeding during urination, Vata Jvara, fever due to Vata, Swara Veda, harshness of voice, Naktandhya, night blindness, Sutika Roga, puerperal diseases, Stanya Dosa, and Stanyaksha, reduction of the breast milk. Then therapeutic indications. This plant is used in Rakta Pitta or intestine hemorrhage. For Rakta Pitta, Satavari Ghrita is given. Milk processed with Satavari and Gokchur also given in Rakta Pitta. Then it is used in Atisar. In different type of Atisar or mainly in Vata Atisar, one should take Satavari Grit. Best of Satavari should be taken with milk, keeping on milk diet during the treatment. Then Arsa, paste of Satavari roots should be taken with milk for the treatment of the ulcer. Then it is also used as rasayan or rejuvenations. Those who take ghee cooked with paste and decoction of Satavari with sugar do not suffer any type of disease the immunity and rejuvenation properties which increases due to the use of this combination of drug. It is used for Vajikaran or aphrodisiac purpose. Shatavari Ghrita and powder of Shatavari Uchata mixed with sugar should be taken with mild warm milk. Shatavari also taken with milk, it acts as aphrodisiac. Then Apasma, Shatavari taken with milk is useful in the treatment of epilepsy. Then Stanyavardhan, it is a very good medicine for galactopoietic action. Shatavari pounded and taken to increase the flow of breast milk. It is a very good medicine for lactating mothers. Then parts use. The tuberous roots are mainly used for medicinal purpose. It is used in the form of powder or juice. The powder is given in the dose of 3 to 6 gram and juice is given in the dose of 10 to 20 ml. These are the few important formulation of Shatavari. These are Shatavariyadi Grita, Phala Grita, Puga Khanda, Aranda Paka, Narayani Tel, Shatavari Tel, Shatavari Modak, Shatavari Mandur, Shatavariyadi Kwat, Mahanarayan Tel, Shatavariyadi Churna, and Shatavari Guda. Then substitution and adulteration. The root of Asparagus sarmentosus, Asparagus curulus, Asparagus filicinus, and Asparagus spongeri are sold in the name of Shatavari in the Indian market. These are the adulterant plant for Asparagus racemosus. But Shatavari is used as substitute in the absence of Ashtavarga Dravya, Meda and Mahamada as per Mahaprakash Niganto. When Meda and Mahamada is not available, then Shatavari can be used. This is the reference of Mahaprakash Niganto about the Shatavari and Mahashatavari as told earlier. Shatavari Bahusuta Viru Indivari Vari Narayani Satapadi Sataviryascha Pivari Mahasatavari Anya Satamulya Urdhvakantika Sahasra Virya Hetuscha Vrishya Prokta Mahodari Shatavari Guru Sita Tikta Swadi Rasayani Medhya Agnipuštida Snigdha Netrya Gulma Atisarajit Sukrastanya Karivalya Vata Pitasra Sothajit Mahasatavari Medhya Vidya Vrishya Rasayani Sita Viryam Nihanti Arsho Grahani Nayana Mayan. Thank you. Thank you, my dear students.